Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable OS Prober in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable OS Prober in Linux systems, you need to modify the GRUB configuration file. Open a terminal and use a text editor to edit the GRUB configuration file. You can use Nano or any other text editor you prefer. Type the following command and press enter. Find or add the line for GRUB disable OS Prober. To enable OS Prober, set it to false. To disable it, set it to true. Save and exit the editor. If you are using Nano, you can save and exit by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and then hit enter. Update GRUB to apply the changes. Type the following command and press enter. Reboot your system to see the changes take effect. Please note that you might need to install the OS Prober package if it's not already installed on your system. You can do this using your distribution's package manager, for example, apt install OS Prober on Debian-based systems. Remember, you need to have administrative privileges to install packages on your system. If you're not logged in as the root user, you'll need to use sudo before each command. For example, sudo apt install OS Prober on Debian-based systems. Note, exact commands to update GRUB might vary, e.g., sudo grub mkconfig in Arch Linux-based distributions. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.